Hey guys, welcome to Ashley's channel. Please like and subscribe down below. Today I will be playing with slime, as you can see. Kind of being a pet peeve right now. But I will also be using some lotion to make it a whole lot better. So you can see, I'm going to use this container to flatten it down so that way we can use the lotion, and then I'm just going to mold it with my hands. I'll flip it over and keep on doing that with my hands until it is all lovely. Sometimes my arms, sorry guys, my camera's a bit off today. It keeps on falling down. I don't know why. So, yeah. There we go. Okay. Like I said, I'm just going to keep molding it and molding it until it is perfect. Okay, I've done it. Now it's time to add the lotion. I did a little swirl, so you guys can see. So now I'm just gonna like gently do this. And you don't want to press down on it too hard. Then you want to carefully, guys, very carefully, flip it over because that is where all the lotion is. And you want to gently just needle it. And then you just do it harder and harder. Then you have to flip it back over, well, in half. So you can see then the lotion will start pouring out. And then you're just going to needle it. Then, after you're done needling it a few times, you're just going to mix it and mix it. Then you're going to needle it again. Then you're going to have to mold it with your hands. Sorry guys. Like I said, my camera is not wanting to work today. So, you're going to have to go like this. Then you want to spread it out, guys. Just like that. And then you pick up a tiny piece and keep on doing this. Soon it will just get bigger and bigger, and you will have to pick it up with your hands. So then you just want to mix it just like this. There we go. Of course, it's a whole lot better already, but I want to add just a little bit more lotion. Hang on. Just a little bit more. So you're going to add just 3 dots. Or 2, but I'm going to do 3. Just to add just a little bit more. So we're just going to do this. Then we're going to turn it over. Do the same thing on this side. And then, y'all guys are just going to needle it very carefully. You should not have any lotion coming out while you are needling it like this. So you can see guys, it looks very cool. Like I said, you should not be having any lotion coming out of this at all. And then what you want to do is you can just, squeeze it and squeeze it. all that, and it will be a whole lot better slime. Now, I'm just gonna mold this again, except then I'm gonna rebuild it back up into like a sort of volcano shape, kind of, so that it's not too thin at the bottom. Can you guys see that? Just like that. Then you just want to work your way with it. Then you take the lotion and only put 1, 2 dots, well actually 3 dots, and it should kind of look like an, then you should just go ahead and start mixing it by needle threading it and then doing a twist. Then you just go straight on. Okay, then needle. Sorry guys, like I said, camera isn't working that well. Then just want to keep on needle threading it. Hang on guys, just gonna set y'all guys back up here. Then it should be nice and thick. Peace out, my dudes. That's all. Like I said, like and subscribe in the bottom.